Aww. Hindi rin naman kita eh. Hindi kita. Sa baba. Pag nag-hike ka, kita mo. Budoy, they filmed the movie here, Jurassic Park, right there on the mountain. Yeah. Yeah.
Lang.
46 yata si Brody Boy. Because if we don't stop on this kind of thing, you won't see it anymore. Here, take a look, take a picture. Yeah. Because later, we don't have a stop no more. See, we can't stop. The clip. Yeah, that's tough. What happened? Budoy, I need to edit the jumping picture, man. Your scene is smiling. Nice spot. Yeah. Mustang right there.
Tapang nito, nahulog siya dyan.
The Goonies?
Okay, we get it. I'm not a cool right now. Hindi ko yung mata. Pikit. Pero hindi ka nakita ha, porque nakasulam yun ka. Sinisilip mo pa. Sinisilip ka pa.
That's the one? What is that? I don't know. Ewan. Ganda ano?
Yeah.
Kaya mo din.
Parang tower, light tower. Sa mga ano. Budoy.
Seriously, that might be the Amish.
Budoy sing the Jurassic team.
I want to see that, guys. That's one of their biggest things. Amish. Amish.
Buday nearly blew away from the thing.
It's still dead.
I told you.
Eh, that would be at least
What?
30 minutes. 10 minutes.
What is that? Naval. Ano to eh? Sundalo ano? You know the soldier?
Yeah.
Yung ano nila? Tanker.
Forrest Gump. What's up with these references that you're so finding?
May responde yung police. May aksidente siguro.
He just asked about Mount Everest. That's not
Pupunta tayo ng
Ayun o, nag-yellow yung bundok.
Big Sur.
Puti. Granite lang pala.
Patula.
Granite.
Sa Alaska.
Alright. 100 miles, bagay mo.
Kala ko 40 minutes na.
Hindi matagal lang kasi
Kasi di ba nakatigil tayo sa
ikot-ikot lang kasi.
Kapag natin tumigil, walang stop na yun. 0.8 miles na lang. Ay, nakatapos. 0.7.
Clark Kent. Ito isang president. Para makalangap tayo ng fresh air. Okay, we're here.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
We're here, guys.
Good pala dito.
Oh, yeah, there's gas.
Papagas ka?
No, just gonna stop over here. Ano ba meron dito?
Where are we going?
Pagas ka na rin.
Gas, wala na akong gas.
Stop over. Papagas muna tayo. Aw. Kumarada pa itong hindi naman ako murder eh. Ayan. Banyo break muna tayo. Tignan natin kung anong meron rito. Ayan. Usok-usok pa. Sa tinan ko lang, pahingan lang kayo. Rito, rito, rito. May sapa pala rito. Ano, pwede kang ano. Tapos restaurant. Ayun. Ang ganda ng lugar natin. All right. How?
Go, you need to take it off your sandal, bro.
Oh. Say hi to my little friend. Right there. This is a good
Right here, okay? Right here.
How is it, Vincent? It's good, Buday, huh? I told you.
Sit down, baby. Come here, bro.
Old car.
This is the
Old Chevron. Same thing rin dito.
tingnan na lang natin. Pangalan? What's the name?
That's his roadhouse right there.
That's the one?
Oh no. Patay. Akala ko river. Baka sa likod. Kita natin. Patay, ikutan din.
That's kinda look like expensive thing
What?
over here. Let's see what we have over here.
Hotel. May mga hotel, oh.
Ano saan yung picture?
Hotel, oh. Hotel.
That's espresso bar.
Yeah.
Narito na po mga patay gutom. At
Yan, dyan yung
restaurant.
restaurant and gift shop.
Yeah.
Dami pero ibang klase tayo mag-tip, oh.
Ito po yung ito po yung restaurant na ayaw magpakain ng tao. Na itago po yung restaurant.
My God. Nabili din tayo. Yan.
Si Lolo gutom, nakalakad na mabilis. Oh. Hindi na nga ginagamit yung tungkod eh. Oh.
Ayun, ikaw pa. May nag-i...
Yan. Nakakita rin tayo rito ng kakainan. Gutom na yung mga bala. Ano ba ito? Park Star. Big Sur Lodge. Dito tayo kakain. Yan.
In addition to the floor programs, we also need to place a $50 incident for our cars to make the images. Not if you're
Ah,
interested in
good. Excuse me, sir. That's the gang. Thank you. Budoy, there's something, man. Alright, nakapuno po tayo.
Hindi sabi ako. Basta po yung
Ayan ang ano rito. Menu.
Kasi yung sila. Ayun, sir. Hindi, ako. Di have problem. Pinagay ko sa'yo. Basta pero happy kami niya.
Ayan po si Madam Nimpa. Talagang nire-review niyang mabuti.
What is this?
No, no, no.
That's a video, man.
I need a cut.
I told you I gotta do your haircut.
I was supposed to with my hair.
I told you, I can.
Oh.
There.
Ano?
And who's gonna?
Wagyu burger, please.
2.
Make it 2.
And you want both of those with fries?
Yes.
Yeah.
Buday, what do you want?
She wants a chicken tender. Tender, of course. With fries. Is that okay? Tender fries. She said with fries. What's it gonna?
The Wagyu cheeseburger.
Alright.
With fries as well? Fries?
Pare-pareho kayo. Pare-pareho kayo.
It's the same, yeah.
And can I have the shawarma wrap?
From where? Do you want that with falafel or chicken?
Chicken, please.
Chicken?
For 20.
And fries on the side?
Yes, please.
Wagyu burger. You have a bunch of
And beer?
And can I have the big BLT?
Would you like that with fries as well?
Yes, please.
And beer?
Mag-order na sa'yo. Ano sa'yo? Sabi niyo pasta. Can we have the pasta? Can you believe that? We don't have a
The pasta?
the pasta, yeah.
And beer?
I'll just have the jumbo wings.
And which flavor would you like? You have buffalo, lemon pepper, and mango habanero.
The mango habanero. And
One more for you? Please. Do you want chicken? Chicken? Hey, chicken tender?
Right here. That's for Buday right there.
That is honey mustard.
Okay. Oh, thank you, sir. Dig it, dig it, dig it. Put it there. Introduce Buday.
Buday, how's the fries? How's the chicken? How's the chicken?
delicious.
Dip in the sauce. You like the sauce? Like the sauce? No.
Right here, Wagyu. Alright. Thank you, boss. Right here. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Oh, ang init na plato. Eh, Buday, be careful with the plate, okay? Right here, boss. Right there for Buday. Just be careful with the... Right there for Antoinette. BLT.
Triple decker BLT.
God damn.
Wow.
I did not know it was 3.
Is it right? Put it in your head. Together in your head.
Oh, it's 2. What is that? It's a design.
Hop up, he said.
Anyone else any sauces?
Kind of just like a normal burger. I'm not gonna lie.
Dig it, boy, toy.
Actually,
All right. Here we go.
what happened?
Meron akong problem dito, lumayo ka pa. Hindi ako. Hindi, sinabi niya lang. Sinabi niya kami ng order mo.
Good.
Baka daw pagdamutan mo sa nakatingin mo sa dami.
That's fine. Don't worry.
Tita has the best food.
I know, right?
I love you, Tita.
Ah?
Hey guys. The food is amazing.
Babe, yung kagat mayaman. Yeah. Yung ano, yung kagat demure. Yup. Organic.
Dapat barbecue na sinabi. Sa'yo na kasi yan. Baka lukaka rin yung order. Hindi naman niya sinabi. Hindi naman kayo pakta niya.
Palit na lang kayo.
Isa lang.
Ay, pagpatay sa...
Hindi ko muna. Titigyan ko itong sabi. Alam mo. Mata to eh. Alam mo. Hindi mo makakasama. Hindi mo makakasama.
Okay, where's your burger? Go eat.
Naubos na niya.
Are you done? Oh.
Ang bilis naman.
Boss,
Naubos na.
I told you to eat burger, man.
Grabe na ka naman.
mom.
Ay, parang masal.
Take it away.
Just take a deep breath, Bishop.
Yeah, I actually.
Thank you for that. Why you cry?
It's too good. Oh my gosh. Beautiful service.
No, but good service in here, huh?
How's the wings?
Naubo nga ako.
Mom.
That's spicy. Porte lang.
Buffalo?
Mm-hmm.
Shawarma.
Nabawalan ang Ay? Bakaw? Bakaw? Hindi mo gulo. Kung susubo ako, nakakalimumalan.
They're the same. They'll go finish it, but they. We're losing, but boo, 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 boo.
Later you won't eat dinner no more. That's it. That's your dinner already.
How about you, Buday?
You still gonna eat dinner?
Food is good also. Thank you, boss. Good, finish that one. Okay.
Babae killers eh.
Manghang daw pero inubos oh.
Walang choice.
Para may gamot naman daw. Yan na lang natitira. Finishing na tayo.
Can I have the french fries? Excuse me. Ako, share ako ito. Ako, share ako ito. Tapos na yan. Tapos na yan. Kaya, ubusin mo. Tabi niyo. Ayaw niya. Laki ba naman ng sandwich? Malaki sa Thank you. Kevin's here. Kaya lang na.
This is Kevin.
Si Kevin. Pas Kevin. Kevin.
Pasto Kevin.
Pass it to Kevin. Pass it Kevin.
Even the salt is gone.
What's salt?
And that's good, Buday. I'm proud of you. Buday finished her food and Budoy.
Pretty boy finish.
Pretty boy finished it too.
No, he didn't. Alright, Doris Dangutum is out. Bye, guys.
Yeah, say it.
Like and subscribe.
Say it, Budoy.
Leave a comment down below saying Monterey is the best.